Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to offer loyalty points on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. To incorporate a loyalty system, you can integrate an application called Loyalty, and let's just search for that. Then I'm gonna head over to, let me just spell that right. Okay, so choose loyalty program from the search bar from top, and you will be able to see that we have various integrations for this purpose. Let's just say this Joy Reward and loyalty program. Once you install that, you have this type of system where you have your different type of loyalty points. So you can see if we have 12 points, we're gonna have $10 and stuff like that. You know how it works. You are already an online shopper and you're probably gonna have an idea how it works. So incorporating this particular integration and application, you can have exactly the loyalty points feature onto your store. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.